You're about to go into the heart of Africa, to a wild corner of the Kruger National Park, Singita, Lebombo, on a real-life, real-time African safari. Watch as the daily dramas unfold. From the smallest detail to the giants of the bush, through the eyes of our cameramen, rangers and animal experts. Uncut, unplanned, unexpected. Join John Varty, big cat specialist and master guide. African explorer Andy Kutsia. And myself, Michaela Strachan.
Prepare to get as close to wildlife as your TV can take you. Real animals. Real danger. In real time. Come face to face with the Big Five as our presenters take you as near as they dare to some of Africa's most dangerous and unpredictable animals. On a safari like no other. In the heart of the Kruger Park.
This might be poisonous, unless you know what this is.
No, it's not poisonous.
Okay. So
We learn how to survive in the bushveld and investigate some of its unsolved mysteries.
I believe there's a third player in the saga.
That tells me a hyena's been at this carcass.
okay, now I'm going to try this.
Master trackers get us to the action.
There's not many big trees where you can climb up as a form of escape. Who would believe that something can live in this mud pond here?
Our presenters reveal some of nature's best kept secrets.
Look at these barbules off the front of the mouth. Very, very sensitive. Gone, from whence it came.
Using cutting-edge technology, we bring you the action as it happens. You see it as we see it, live, as we take you on an uncut, unstaged African safari.